Hi, this is Jose Saravia, and I'm going to show you 6 steps that you can follow to start making money, and I mean profits this week. But first, eh, please let me open this my notepad. By the way, I want to ask you that take notes, open your notepad or grab a paper because you're going to take notes. Okay, so what I want to show you is something that you can use to start making money pretty fast, and even you're going to be able to start making money as a passive income if you find the right product. But let's go straight to the point. First, I want you to think in a topic that you really like. For example, let's say that you love fitness. You love to go to the gym. You love you love jogging. You love fitness. So that's the number one step. The step number two is that you have to go to places like ClickBank, and you have to search for a product in the fitness niche or the fitness vertical. So once you read about the product, you can go to the sales letter to get an idea about what the product is about, and if you like it, you can just grab the your affiliate link, which is unique. And the step number three is that you need to find experts in this field. So let's say that you are going to a gym and you know the trainers, and you know people that are experts in fitness. So you can ask them to for an interview, and or even better, you can go to Amazon, go for, and look for products or books that are related to fitness, and you can contact the writers, the owners of this book, and you can also ask them for an interview, and almost 9 out of 10 people will say yes. So okay, now you have the people that you are going to interview. So you can call them using Skype. You have to record your screen, this call, and then you have to save it in your computer. Well, now the step number four is that you have to create an opt-in page, an opt-in form that is going to, you are going to use it to capture emails. And the step number five is that you have to send traffic to this opt-in form. And the step number five is going to be, sorry, the step number six, you have to create a follow-up email sequence where you are going to be in contact with all the people that is going to opt in the box that you're going to create, and once you have a list, you can send them value. You have to send them at least the first 3 emails only with value, only giving tips, only giving advice to them about how they can improve their lives, of course talking about fitness. And in the fourth email or the fourth day, you can send them the offer, which is the ClickBank's product that you already have the link. So what tools do you need? Number one, you need a YouTube channel. Number two, you need something like a ClickFunnels account, because it's maybe one of the greatest way to create opt-in forms, and it's very easy. You need a ClickBank's account, which is free to create, and it's very fast to do that. And you need a traffic source. You can use Facebook traffic, YouTube traffic, Google Ads, you name it. So in general terms, this is an amazing strategy. Why? Because people is going to see you. People will see also the experts and the expert that you are going to interview, and And believe me that this is something that generates a lot of confidence with all the visitors and will allow you to sell a product, which is a ClickBank product. And if you remember in the beginning of this video, I told you that you can even start generating passive income. Why? Because there are many products in ClickBank's platform that they offer a revenue program or a passive income program. So that means that if you get a customer, they as long as they keep paying for this affiliate program, you will keep receiving the money every month, which is amazing. So if you want to know more about this strategy, please leave a comment below. And also, I want to invite you to click on a link that you will find in the description. You just have to scroll down, because maybe you're a person that you don't have an idea how to plug everything, how to create an opt-in form, how to go to ClickBank. But I have a 4-day training that will show you how to do this. It's an amazing program. It's a program that my partner, who is the creator of this training, charges almost $1,000 only for the same content. And today is for free, and you just have to go click on the link, enter the email, and I will send you this 4-day training that will show you how you can apply what I share with you. So I'm Jose Saravia, and see you inside. Bye.